So in 2.6, the last part is translating words to inequalities, because most of what you do in the real world is doing word problems or situations where you're trying to write an equation or you're trying to write an inequality based on what you're given. And so some of the words that we need to be familiar with is like, what symbol goes with that particular word. So let's say we have the symbol greater than. So greater than is for words like, and we'll say, oops, let's get that back. Okay, so like greater than, other words like more than, and exceeds, as well as above and over. So these are typical words that are used with the greater than sign. When you're looking at the symbol less than, then we have things like, besides the word less than, we have fewer than, so fewer than, as well as below and under. So these are typical words that you'll see in word problems that would go with this particular inequality. Then we have greater than or equal to, right? And so typical word is like at least, as well as is not less than. So is not less than. What I see in most word problems is this phrase, at least. When I see the word at least, I'm thinking of this symbol. And this one's used, I'd say, a lot. They use this a lot. And then there's the less than or equal to, right? And so at most, as well as does not exceed. So again, this one's used the most as well for this particular inequality. At most, and then this one for at least. These are the two that I would really make sure that you had available in your notes, because you'll see that all the time. So let's say we're looking at some examples. So let's say I was looking at a sentence like this: a number that is more than 30. So a number more than 30. So that would tend to be x greater than 30. Okay. At an age that is at least 18. So an age that is at least 18. And so for that one, that would be the x greater than or equal to 18, because you see the words at least. And then let's say a grade point average that is at most 3.25. So a grade point average, I'll just abbreviate since my handwriting is so bad, that is at most 3.25, right? And so that would also be what? The x less than or equal to 3.25. And so these are nice things to be aware of, so that you can translate these words into the inequality that you're wanting. And it's very helpful to do that. So be aware of those particular words that come up in your homework and quizzes.